Today, I'm diving into the unknown, searching the depths for some big tasty fish. Then, Master Chef E is throwing down in the kitchen and cooking up some killer grinds. We're gonna find out what he's been up to lately. So, let's go check him out. Shee! Unks, bust one pule for my dive.
Mahalo nui loa, ana mea a pau, a ko hana holo holo I moa maanei, a maopio, hiki ana mako, e ai me ko ona no. Ai wao maanei ma koi ka lulu, e kana wao, e ike ku ohana. Be safe out there.
Woo! This is the calmest I've seen it in a long time. As soon as I jumped in, I saw one of my favorite fish to eat, swimming on top of the reef in the shallows, the moana kali. The biggest one of the batch starts swimming right up to the end of my barrel. I line up for a shot, but then it gets spooked and starts swimming away. I'm doing my best to call it back and it stops. His crew continues on, but he just can't resist the temptation. Beautiful, tasty fish, and I'm off to a good start. I brained this guy and I just admire his amazing colors. The water is nice, so I'm gonna heli on to one of my favorite zones. I take a drop, and when I get down to the bottom, this fat Roy and fat collie is asking to get bentos. But then I notice this monster moo on the bottom of this ledge, so I creep on over to the edge. And then he spins around to come in for a closer look. That collie is way bigger than the one I just got, but I really want to try and get that moo. I'm starting to feel my air tanks get low, so I gotta get in for a closer shot. I see my opportunity and I start swimming in to close the distance. Oh, stuck right there. Got this nice smooth next drop, and I'm landing right on this big scary puhi. His jaws are open, ready to attack, so I gotta move him out of the way quick. I barely touched him. He totally overreacted, but I almost slammed my head into the rock. I get myself situated, and here comes another big old monster moo to check me out. As I'm admiring my moo, I notice this big slimy log, so I load him up and I throw my lucky spoon. I spin around and here comes a big old fat ono. I line up my shot. I hit him right where I wanted to, but I can tell the power just wasn't there. I let my reel loose and I play this thing as gently as possible. But by the time I got to the surface, I can feel my line go slack and the ono swims away. Next drop, and I'm hunting another monster moo right above my head. I'm creeping and crawling towards him, but he just seems to be keeping his distance. Something's telling me to turn around quick, and in swims in this huge uku. I got a nice shot on him, and now I gotta do line management and make sure he doesn't get tangled up on the reef. The line is clear, and I got my favorite fish in the whole world, the uku. Look at that beautiful blue color along its dorsal fin. Unks is gonna trip out on this one. Last drop, and there's a pair of big old ukus right above my head. I'm hiding behind this rock and they're getting curious, but they're just out of range. I'm starting to run out of air, so I start swimming towards them to close the distance. I could hit him right here, but I wasn't confident I was gonna land him, so I let him swim away. I say one last goodbye to the ukus and I start making the long swim back to Uncle's place. I finally arrived at Uncle's backyard, and what a calm, beautiful day it is. Whew. That was a brittle swim back, but I made it and I got some killer grinds. Let's go show Uncle. I'm gonna try and hide the uku so he can't see it. Yeah, check him out. Check out what we got today, yeah?
Hey, babe. Check all that.
Woo!
Oh, boys!
Wow!
What's going on? Who?
That's the...
Whose tail is this? Come on. Oh,
wow!
an ukulani. Oh, you ain't entrando.
Oh my god!
Was in the sacred zone.
Nice stringer, Hawaiian. Killing it. Look at this cully too. Wow. Holy bugger.
Lala.
You heavy. A nice cully wally.
Wow!
Oh, I don't think the three of us can eat that. We got one takeout plate for your mother.
Yes,
Let's make fun of it. We'll figure out what to do.
I gotta grab some firewood, make one big fire for the food.
Looking good.
Oh, what happened to the HAMMAH grill?
My friend didn't run him over.
Oh, what?
The grill would never fail us. The run him over won. You can pound him out.
Man.
My heart is with that grill forever.
Some good times,
But
huh?
everything great. Hold it close, cause nothing lasts forever.
Oh, that's all sad now, bro.
Honestly. These are nice tea leaves, so
Nothing's going to waste. All the remaining parts are going into the soup. Lala.
beautiful fillet. Yeah. Cut out the whole belly section.
We gotta go scale the fish.
What that?
HAMMAH gold.
Oh, no way. Oh, that's the ulua.
Yeah. A little sausage. Kind of low tide out right now.
Oh, hello today. But everybody's still home. We get the action. Planning grinds. Still good. Gotta feed the crabs.
Oh, look at that.
What a
What do you think this is? Bro, what the uku ate?
look like one opello to me.
Papella?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about that size, huh? I found one little puhi right there.
Probably liver.
Wanna call you liver?
I eat half, you eat half. Here you go.
Yeah?
That's killer. Some limu would be better. But get on limu flavor to them.
Nice and salty,
Interesting. Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. Kind of reminds me of like a dirty opihi. Gotta go clean them one more time.
Couple slabs uku down.
What's gonna go on that?
I mean, grinds the uku with the collars. Everything else goes.
How's that collar?
Or the belly can go on too. See that Hawaiian lemon.
It's got some character to it, huh?
It's a little lumpy, but everybody loves lemon pepper. Some Kauai pakai. Just so happens today we have a special treat. We killed a cow a little while ago. Big mahalos to Brother Scott up at Summers Ranch. We took off the tallow and made the oil out of that. The fire's been burning for a while, and this is one of our old grills that works perfectly fine, but it's old, and so like we're gonna treat it the best we can. Putting our belly and collar on this side, putting our collar right next to it, and then putting the uku's head right over here. Everything is somewhat of a gamble when you're working on things like this, but we'll hope for the best. So right here we get the uku bone for make soup. We'll put some pakai inside there, and then we'll make some ginger. We're gonna put the lemon in there, a little bit of onion, some peppers. That's some good pepper right there. We don't waste nothing, we're gonna use everything. So it's for the soup. So we get the beef tallow and then a bunch of the uku parts.
I gotta grab some tea leaf. There's a big crack right there. I don't want to fall in.
Yes, sir. Thank you. We'll wash this up and have that ready in 2 shakers. Some ginger. And then we get some daikon right on, Brother Jay, and bring some over.
Oh, the collars look on.
Oh, this tender was falling apart. Yeah, you.
Some uku collar.
Amazing.
Oh, it's really good. Ah.
I never see that happy since garlic. Everything coming along. Let me try a little bit of Paul. Again, we're gonna add to the soup onions, cilantro, green onions, bell pepper.
Some fresh tallow on the barbecue uku skin. Nice and fatty. That pakai from Kauai.
We're gonna fly them on. I think get room in that grill. Turn right there next to the uku.
That's the HAMMAH harvest.
We're eating well tonight. I'm gonna smoke these scallions up right quick along with the bell peppers. Nothing wrong with some smoked uku skin.
What is this?
That's nioi, salt, and koji. Whew. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Walmart don't serve me no love. Unless on sale. Maybe a little bit.
The rollbacks.
This fish is so fatty. I want to cut into that with a little bit of citrus, so I'm gonna just use the zest from the Hawaiian lemon. Let's put this smoked head into the soup. The brother's still hot.
Oh, the smell with the lemon and the uku.
Some zest. Give them a unique sour. People are like, huh? That's all. Woo! I get one.
Careful, huh?
Don't push that knife, huh? Mmm. Oh, that bugger heavy.
Oh, how's this spread? What we got here, unks?
We got some baked koalas, some tomato salad with yellow bell pepper, 1 killer line of sashimi from the uku, roasted bell peppers stuffed with the sausage. We got some uku sushi, and then we got some uku soup with the head and bones.
Yes,
Everything is HAMMAH. Nice day today, and
It's a beautiful day.
Maybe tomorrow we eat tilapia.
Waiting all day to try this one.
Hot, watch out.
Oh, you really taste that lemon. That lemony broth.
It's kind of hard to get fresh wasabi in Hawaii, yeah, so we get this stuff. Strictly shakas. The fish is butter. The rice is great. Everything is... Look, I'm crying.
It's hot, or?
I'm not sure if I'm crying because it's so good that it makes me emotional. Or I just put too much wasabi.
I gotta sample one of these. That's my favorite. Auntie, try one.
Hawaii like grab the big one. Same reason she stay with me.
So Ronx, what you been up to since the last video?
Life's been incredibly busy. It's like everybody, all of us, we in the same boat. As a result of the love that we received, we was able to resolve a number of our issues, including my truck is running just fine now. We got the solar batteries, so the house has electricity now. I'm not gonna give up this campsite just because I love it. I like it the way it is. When you love them, you love them. Not really ready to let go.
Mahalo so much for watching, and most importantly, mahalo ʻāINA.